Hey you guys, it's your girl Tempest Nicole and welcome back, family. We are now a family of 80K. Give a round of applause to yourselves. So I am gonna make this a quick video. I know y'all seen the title. So how to make money from TikTok, how to make passive income, how to do affiliate marketing with TikTok shop. And we're going to get right into it. It's not going to be long-winded. If anybody is new to the channel, please make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all of that. So, with further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into the video, y'all. Okay, so I know everybody be like, oh, you're the girl from TikTok and da-da-da. If you don't know me, I do have a following on TikTok of 1.7 million followers. My channel on TikTok did not take long to grow, just like my YouTube channel blew up like it's crazy. So I wouldn't say it was an overnight thing, but it didn't take me as long, some years, you know. Yeah, TikTok and YouTube is totally different from one another, but I did want to give you guys some techniques on how to do affiliate marketing with TikTok shop and how to make money from the affiliates with TikTok shop as well. So hopefully some of these tips and tricks help you guys be able to make passive income from social media. Okay, so I did write down some things, y'all, so I can tell y'all exactly what to do. Okay, so first, if you're not on TikTok, you can create you a TikTok. Create you a TikTok. I mean, I don't even know what to say. Just create you a TikTok. Other platforms do have affiliate marketing, but I do want to only tell you something that I am an expert in and make good money on TikTok affiliates, okay? So for me, just to give you a little back history, I just started responding back to emails, TikTok shop link and all that type of thing. I do think it's good for extra income. So if you're looking for nail shop money, you looking for car note money, you looking for rent, you looking to pay your mortgage, then that's the thing to do. Now, if you feel like it's not for you, let me say what I have to say. Then maybe at the end of this video, you'll be able to get a gist of what you want to do. Okay. So, and this is going for TikTok right now only, okay? So don't lose me. So if you already have a TikTok and you're wanting to get free items and stuff like that, you can be a TikTok shop creator, okay? So these brands will reach out to you, be like, hey, can I send you a vacuum in exchange for a video? And you can be like, yeah, I can do a video for you, and they'll tell you like, hey, we'll give you 5% affiliate, we'll give you 10%, but you can kind of like negotiate on exactly how much percentage you would like to do. So if you are a micro influencer, you can still get 5 to 10% on affiliate. If you're good and your content is good, my cleaning people, we clean up all day, every day. Why not get a free vacuum in exchange for a video? Okay, and these vacuums be really, really good. I have two myself and they're really, really good. Okay, and then when people buy from your TikTok shop link, you are able to get money. And how I kind of like found it on accident, because I wasn't into like the affiliate thing, I wasn't paying attention to where my money was going or anything like that, and I looked at my back office and it was like, you have $1,500, and I'm like, what the hell? Yeah, so I was like, okay, so let me continue to do this. So in January, I started responding back. So my thing is wigs, okay? For those who see my shorts and everything like that, for all my girlies who like to wear her and all of that stuff, I haven't paid for her all 2024. Okay, so I'm taking all the... Y'all see me? I'm doing all the wig deals, okay? I don't got to pay for her. I'm trying to grow my rear hair back so the wigs came clutch, okay? And then, here's the kicker. Here's the kicker, my girlies. I hope y'all listening. If you are going to do TikTok shop, you can ask these people to send you free hair. Free hair. Don't talk about how I say her. I'm from Dallas, so we don't pronounce things the right way. But, yes, it's different things that you can have. It's not just her in there. Like I said, cleaning products. You can do lashes. You can do anything. You can get clothes, jogging sets, brushes, anything like that. If you do good content and your content is engaging and you'll make people buy, they will purchase from that affiliate link and you will get paid through your TikTok app, okay? you will get paid. And in some cases, if the people like your video, they will put ads on the back of your video as well, and so you can boost sales, and so it can get more views on your video. And also, when they do that and put ads on your video, it does bring more sales, which means you get more commission. Okay, so that's you being an affiliate with that company. If you want to negotiate your percentage, do so. I do it with my wigs. So this is how I do mine. I charge a flat rate. Like, you gonna pay me for doing this content first of all, and then I charge anywhere from 10 to 15% commission. Some companies just offer me. Some people try to lowball, so you gotta watch out. And it's only really the hair companies that try to lowball us, especially us with big followings and stuff like that. So I do ask for a flat rate. I ask for 10 to 15% commission because I know people are going to buy. I do charge extra for them to get my ad code. I might give them rights for 30 days or anything like that. So if you're if you already known and popular on TikTok, you charge for ad code or anything like that. If you're just trying to get your feet wet, you don't have to, I wouldn't give them rights to the video. If you do, just do 7 days, do 30 days. I wouldn't do a year ad code either. And the ad code is when you upload the video or whatever, and you add the company's link to your video, then that's how they can put ads behind your video. I really didn't do too much this past month, but I'm just going to show you guys so you won't think I'm a liar. I'm going to show you guys what my TikTok affiliate money is. And this is just like for the couple weeks. Let me see. So you'll go to your creator tools. Okay. And you will click on your TikTok shop creator. Hold on. Let me scroll up. It'll be, I hope y'all can see the TikTok shop creator. You're going to click on that. And it's going to show you like how much money you've made with your sales and everything like that. And then we're going to click on earnings. So far, I didn't do too bad, but it's $675.02 so far, okay? And that's what I did. That's just an extra something for the month. I didn't really do a lot on TikTok this month, but you can't beat $675. And this is just an honest thing. Let's see. Earning history. Let's see. Rewards. Let me see if I can find the exact amount of money that I might have to post it because I don't know where to find it. I be just tapping stuff and then I find it. But you basically put stuff in your showcase. It'll tell you how much you've made, how many, in my case, how many wigs I've sold and everything like that. But who don't want extra money? Like, these are the hair companies that I have in my showcase that I've done things for. If you have pets or anything like that, you can get a haircut kit for your pets. You can get a water bowl, or automatic feeder, anything like that. Like, instead of them paying for commercials, they're doing TikTok shop because they know us influencers would like to promote products, and who don't like to get free stuff. So hopefully this video can show you guys exactly what to do, how to get extra money from TikTok. Don't just be a looker on TikTok. Be a doer and get extra money while doing, okay? And it's all different type of things. If you a makeup girly, if you a travel girly, they have luggage, they have lashes, they have wigs for my guys, they have clothes, clippers, hair bump removal stuff. I don't really promote vitamins or anything like that. I stay away from that because I don't want to promote a product and somebody take it and they not doing it, not on duty, not on duty. But yes, TikTok shop will make you extra money, y'all. Trust me. I think last month I did a $1,900 last month in affiliate. That's not even just my flat rate that I charge for that. That's extra money. I use that for credit card like that. So if you want to be able to pay off credit cards without having to get into your paycheck, if you want to pay like Cooper is an expense, okay? His baths are $50. He get them once a week, okay? His haircuts are $100. He gets a haircut every 2 weeks, okay? So he's costing me moolah. So some of that goes to him. Abu's food is expensive. Cooper's doctor bills, Abu's doctor bills are expensive, so I don't have to come out of pocket for anything. So I feel like affiliate marketing is the way to go. And everybody needs you to market their business, okay? So hopefully this video was good for you guys. I didn't want to make it too long, but if you would like me to post more ways to make passive income, more ways to do affiliate marketing, be sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Comment if you want me to do any other type of videos other than money bouquet videos. So I know that's why a majority of you guys follow me, but I do want to come on here and show other ways to be able to make money. Shout out to the 80K family. I love you guys, and peace.